everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grilling. Chris here, and I am outside. Spring has finally arrived in Midwestern Ontario in Grey County. It is gorgeous out tonight. It has been gorgeous out the last couple of days, so why not do episode 3 of Sunday Shoutouts outside on the deck. Perfect, I would have to say. So I'm going to put a link to my last episode of Sunday Shoutouts right there. There was 3 channels that I gave a shout out to last week, and I know it's not Sunday, and I'm having a real hard time staying to this whole Sunday thing, but today, going forward rather, hopefully we'll keep it to Sundays. Alright, I've got 2 channels for you this week. The first actually is a brand new channel, just put up his new video, his first video the other day, and that is Paul's Q. Again, a link to his channel right there. So go on and check him out and check out his first video, the first of many awesome ones that I am sure we will see. And next, my second channel shout out that I am doing today is Everyday Barbecue. Mike is the man who runs that channel, and he is one of the nicest guys you will ever meet, and he has made some awesome food on his channel. You need to go check him out. You need to go give him some love. You probably have already, but if not, definitely go over there and check him out. So the 2 channels, I'm going to have links to in the description box down below as well. The 2 channels are Paul's Q, newcomer, 1 video on his way up, and Everyday Barbecue. Mike is just flying through the stratosphere of YouTube. He is going to be a big deal someday. I think he's a big deal already, but check him out for sure. And that's all I got. We'll see you next week, where I promise Sunday will be where I have my next episode. Thanks for watching. Please leave me a comment below, like this video, share it, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.